Welcome back to TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn solve Steam API missing issue. So let's begin. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser you use. In the search bar, type Steam API.dll download and press enter. Now, click on the first website that appears. Make sure it's a trusted one like dll-files.com or Microsoft's official site. Once you're on the website, scroll down a little and you'll see different versions of the file listed under architecture. Here you need to check whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Now, download the correct file based on your system. In my case, it's 32-bit, so I'll click on the download button next to the 32-bit version. Once the download is complete, open it, then right-click on the zip file and select Extract Files. A small pop-up window will appear. Just click OK to confirm extraction. After a few seconds, the files will be extracted into a new folder. Now, right-click on the folder and then click on Copy. Next, open this PC, go to your C drive, then open the Windows folder, and inside that, open the System32 folder. Once you're inside System32, right-click on any empty area and choose Paste. This will copy the Steam API files into your system folder. Now, close everything and restart your PC. After the restart, try opening the same app. This time, the missing Steam API error should be completely fixed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.